don't know. I mean, more power to him. What the fuck is going on? I'm trying to get this back in the screen. That's the wrong thing. How do you do this? Oh, this one here. All right. So I'm gonna read this and let's see if I'm good at reading. All right. Okay. First of all, this thing with the monkey, that's crazy.
Yo, that wild. I wouldn't even reposted that and gave that a platform, bro.
Yes, that was
why like bro.
You can't like. Why would you spread it around knowing that it's bad? Like you could reference it, right? Let the media show the picture and stuff. You know,
yeah, like that's like the equivalent of you watching your daily news network and they show somebody get their head cut off. Like, what the fuck? You don't show that shit, bro.
Yeah, he knew what it was gonna do. Like, I mean, that was the whole thing. Like, that's why I just can't fuck with shit like that, bro. It's like you clearly not that fucking stupid, bro.
And then he's making shit up here. Yeah.
And then on top of that,
he's not stupid. He's very calculated.
That 2K6, that 2K26 cover looked like an old Disney movie on some Air Bud shit. Like that looked like a movie not concept the monkey that they were released back in the day. Dunstan drops 20 or something like an Air Bud movie or some shit.
Yeah. Let's see. I'm gonna read this. Although there has all right, this has to go. This has got to stop. There's no place for racism in this world, whether you like a player or not. Angel Reese should never be called or depicted as a monkey. And he used the capital M for monkey. I have
used the proper noun.
Quiet on the Angel Reese front because she shared a video that aided in my wife, kids. Shared a video that aided in my wife, kids, and family and friends receiving death threats. So all your family and friends and stuff receive threats of physical harm to my family and friends and threats of sexual violence to my children and social media and beyond.
Brother,
that's the internet. Yes, that's exactly. Internet, if you're in the public eye, everybody's going to do that. And the fact that she said nothing about you before you said something about her and she retaliated, and this is the consequences. Her fans are bigger than your fans. Say something about Beyonce too, RJ3. Say something about Beyonce. You'll see what happens. It's going to be worse than what you see from Angel Reese fans. There might be some big black bitch outside your fucking house with a pitchfork. That's what I'm saying. That's what happens when you fuck around with Beyonce.
Hey, y'all ever watched that show produced by Donald Glover? No, not that one.
The B. It was called not.
The Hive or something.
The Hive. Yeah, I remember that. And the girl.
Swarm.
Yeah, the Swarm. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I seen that shit.
Bro, you want to talk about?
My wife watched it. I didn't get.
You want to talk about? You say something about certain people on the internet. It's people that's out there like that. It will kill you, bro. Like once they find your address, you getting mouse heads emailed to you in the mail. You getting feces sent to your doorstep. You know.
Yeah.
Like even to
that was based off a true story.
Damn, bro.
Beyonce fans?
Yeah.
Doing that? Yeah.
Damn.
Crazy.
I ain't about to lie. I only watched the show as long as I did because it started off with I can't remember if it was Chloe or Haley getting crushed.
Chloe.
And I was like, ho, what's the show about? Let me tap in.
All right.
You blame.
It's crazy. Let me finish reading because it could take all day. that one. Okay, so so his family's getting thrown away. That will never be okay with me. I never attacked her or her family when I stated and backed up with clear basketball evidence that Angel Reese hates Caitlin Clark. It's sports. Everybody won't like each other. So the facts are Angel Reese and Caitlin Clark do not hate each other. That's competitiveness.
Yeah, I'm about to say they might not like each other, but to say that they hate each other is hyperbole.
Yeah.
Know that.
Even in college, they both said the same thing in press conferences.
They was like, yo, I have no issue with this girl.
Yeah, competition.
Yeah,
but no. When the men do it, it's that's all I don't understand. Oh, they hate each other like it's some cat fight or some shit.
And that's the point I was making in a conversation earlier about this. I'm like, when men be all up in each other's face and they about to and they get texts and all that, it's not this big media frenzy of does insert player here hate this player? Bro, it's not even that deep, bro. They got caught up in the heat of the moment. But what was the player who intentionally said, yeah, I filed SGA, I tripped them up?
Yeah.
And they was like, why would you do that? He was like, man, I was mad at the time. He ain't out here talking about SGA's baby mom and their kid or nothing like that, bro. It's just you get caught up in the moment, bro.
Yeah. Yeah. So This guy, I mean, okay. All right, so people in Angel's inner circle called me and told me I was right, and Angel Reese has grown to hate Caitlin Clark because of the media always asking her about Caitlin and being consistently compared to her. That's a lie. I'm pretty sure that's a lie. Some people made it about race, but I never did and never will. And you literally throw the dog. You should see this guy's Instagram page. Instead of becoming the villain in anyone's story, I decide to just not. All that being said, Angel Reese or any black man or woman should never be called or depicted as a monkey ever. Stop it. If you hate Angel Reese because she is black, you are the problem. If you hate Angel Reese because you are a Caitlin Clark fan, don't turn it racial.
You should be hating these people.
There should be no space for racism in this world. And then he reposted the monkey picture. All right, so let's talk about it. I don't understand why you even said anything, number one. If you really wanted to retweet that, just do it, because that's what you're supposed to do if you're this guy. And secondly, like, look at what you've said about her in the past that's gotten the media attention. So now you're doing what Skip Bayless does to LeBron James, but now you're you're tearing down a black woman, which is not any woman or any person, right? Just to get some clicks, right? And it's working for you because you're growing this fan base of white people that hate Angel Reese, right? And if that's the fan base you want, while you're sitting there with your biracial kids, your white wife, all this shit, and your blonde white wife, like, you literally just like wearing cowboy hats, looking all that, they laugh at you, bro. That's the simple truth. They laugh at you. Look at this guy trying to be us.
As they say, that Sambo shit.
Yeah, and it's funny because you're literally, like, that's why they call him a coon, because he's cooning for them. He's doing the dance for them. He's doing all this stuff for their attention, so they could give him a banana.
And like Shaq was saying, bro, that's all you're going to ever be known for. You're just going to be just known as this coon podcaster that fucking coons for his wife. You were a fucking Heisman winning quarterback, bro. Like, this shit's sad. But
yeah, you know, you saw that. Yeah, I probably reposted that clip on our TikTok of Shaq saying he's going to punch him in the face.
Shaq took the glasses off for that.
Yo, Shaq got a tan. Did you see how dark he was?
Yeah, he was dark as I don't know what.
Somebody was like, "Is that AI?" I had to go do it. After they said, I was like, "Damn, was it AI?" So I Googled it. I was looking for that podcast everywhere. I was like, "I guess."
Yeah, my man said he was like, the only reason Angel ain't cut you up is because I told her not to.
Yeah,
because like Angel, I love that about her. Somebody criticize her.
Oh, she
gonna who it is. She going at everybody. Like, even that little shot she took at LeBron, which I think was mostly just like jokingly, but like, she'll go at anybody. And RG3, bro, I follow RG3 a little closely. He did quarterback for the Skins at the time, Skins. But like, he was on coon shit since, bro. Like, the ego that he developed when they erected a statue up at him at Baylor, bro, and on throughout was just. And it didn't help that he had such a stellar rookie season, bro.
Yeah.
Like, but people on the team at the time would tell you, was like, yo, did not like him, did not want to block for him, did not want to do XYZ for him. He was Dan Snyder's like little pet project. You know what I'm saying? And he's displayed this kind of mentality on the field, in the realm of podcasting, on his personal podcast when he got let go by the network, and in his personal life. And look, you marry a white woman, good for you.
That's fine, yeah.
Congrats. You got your biracial babies. Love that for you, my guy. But where is your like moral standing? Where's your integrity to yourself? And not necessarily just your race, but is this how you really are? You know what I'm saying?
This nigga don't speak. Has he ever spoken on race relations until this?
With Ryan Clark, when they had their little beef recently.
No, I'm talking about, like, is he ever standing up for black people?
Oh, hell, not that I know of.
So this was just his reason to post that monkey picture.
Yeah, and that's what it comes off as.
There you go. It's like you never said nothing about
he morally
anything.
Grandstands when he gets attacked. And when he does that, he does it in a way where it's like, I'm about to say something that's negative that's gonna ruffle some feathers, but I'm gonna do this moral grandstand so I still look like I'm in the right. But I think he playing like at this point in his career, now that he's off network, he playing like 4D chess. He realized that YouTube and all these other algorithms don't determine if it's a positive, negative comment. They just see a click and a comment, and that's what get him out there. He got to be used to. He got to be used to the hate at this point in his career. It's time for him to ride that wave.
Yeah.
He just like one major incident away from like popping up on the Joe Rogan podcast.
Yeah. Oh, look at this. Red Bull Records just hit me. Okay.
Oh, sponsorship. But yeah, what he said, you could take it X, Y, or Z, but what really just killed the whole thing was the picture, bro. Like, why did you? And from what I heard, the picture is from an account that's got like,
it's like some
small following, bro. Like, don't even nobody like that thing didn't have no visibility. I didn't even know about the picture.
He blew it up.
Yeah,
like, that shit you probably found on Reddit, like the Angel Reese hate page. They got all types of shit.